How you doing, everybody, and welcome to NinjaToons, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and this is another Walk-Thru Wednesday, how to draw zero from Nightmare Before Christmas. Zero starts with the letter Z, so that's what we're going to start our drawing with today. After we put in the letter Z, we're going to add his skull. And the top of his snout. And the jack-o'-lantern for his nose. Next, we're going to add the inside of his mouth. Zero's body is basically a cone shape, so that's what we're going to use for our walkthrough today. And then he has an opening right here. He looks like a floating sheet. And we'll put in his collar. The next thing we're going to use are S-curves for his ears. So go up, down, up, and down. 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 Put in his eye line. And now we'll put in his eyes. We'll also put in his smile line. And we have to put in his cheeks. Now on the bottom of zero, we're gonna have it look like a wave. So we're gonna create C curves up and down, to make it appear that he's floating. And then we'll give Zero some eyebrows up here for his brow. And now it's time to add his tail. Now the tail can be a little tricky during this sketch phase. So think of drawing like a parallelogram and then draw a C curve that comes up like this. The next step will be adding this check mark. And then we're going to curve this tail around to connect like that. So that's going to be Zero's tail. Now for his nose, remember it's a jack-o'-lantern, so we're going to draw his eye line and his center line. And the jack-o'-lantern has kind of an angry face. And then don't forget the stem at the top. And then the last thing we're gonna add to refine our sketch is some of the overlapping lines. Now this is really important when you're drawing, folds, because the fabric is gonna overlap each other. So at this point in our sketch, if you see any mistakes or things that you want to adjust, now's the time to do it. And one of the things that I noticed in my sketch here is that I felt like the jack-o'-lantern was a little too low on his nose. So I wanted to bring it up just a little bit higher. Okay. And normally if I was doing this on paper, I would keep the sketch and then just reposition the nose. So there's our refined sketch of Zero. Now we're gonna move forward with the inking process. As we always do, I start at the head. And I'm gonna continue through the inking process throughout the rest of this image, and I'll catch you at the end of this step. So there's Zero for Walk-Thru Wednesday. Hope you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial. On the last step, there wasn't a lot of color, so I ended up going right in and doing the coloring after the cleanup or the inking step. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a very popular character among those fans of Nightmare Before Christmas. He's just so cute. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, make sure you strike that like button. And if you're not a subscriber yet, smash that subscribe button. And then let us know in the comment section below. What's another character you'd like the ArtNinja to draw for Halloween? Until next time, guys, remember your ABCs, always be creating, make it a great day, and stay tuned for more videos. Arigato.